Welcome back to the channel, car enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most underrated yet iconic muscle cars from the golden era of American performance, the 1969 AMC AMX. A black beauty that stood toe-to-toe with legends like the Corvette, Mustang, and Camaro. This wasn't just another muscle car, it was AMC's bold declaration that they, too, could play in the big leagues of speed, power, and style. So buckle up, because in this full review, we'll explore its history, exterior, interior, performance, and of course, its current value and collector appeal. Before we get started, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our weekly classic car deep dives. Alright, let's bring this black 1969 AMC AMX into the spotlight, and trust me, it deserves every bit of attention it gets. Exterior. At first glance, the 1969 AMC AMX looks like pure aggression sculpted in metal. The car's black paint gives it an intimidating yet elegant aura, almost like a panther crouched and ready to strike. AMC designed the AMX with a shorter wheelbase, giving it a compact, muscular stance that instantly differentiated it from its larger rivals. The dual-scoop hood and sharply contoured fenders reflect the raw power hidden beneath. The front end is bold, featuring a split grille with the AMC badge proudly centered, surrounded by circular headlights that emphasize its sporty attitude. The long hood and short rear deck design echo the era's performance philosophy, similar to what Chevy and Ford were doing, but with AMC's own distinctive twist. From the side, the car's proportions are near perfect, low-slung with a fastback roofline that screams speed even when parked. The chrome bumpers, side mirrors, and polished trim lines perfectly contrast against that glossy black paint, adding just the right amount of sparkle. The 15-inch Magnum 500 wheels wrapped in Goodyear Polyglass tires complete the authentic muscle look. Every inch of this car feels purposeful, it's aggressive without being overdone, stylish without losing that raw 60s muscle charm. The rear of the AMX carries a minimalist yet bold design, dual round taillights, a clean tail panel, and a centered AMC badge that reminds you this isn't a cookie-cutter muscle car. This car has presence. When it rolls down the street, people notice. It's sleek, sinister, and a symbol of AMC's ambition to challenge Detroit's heavyweights. Step inside the 1969 AMC AMX, and you're greeted with a cockpit that feels surprisingly driver-focused for its time. This was a two-seater, a rare choice among American muscle cars, which immediately gives it that sports car vibe. The black leather bucket seats are supportive and low, making you feel like you're part of the car rather than just sitting in it. The fit and finish are simple but solid. AMC didn't overload the AMX with luxury, but what's here feels purposeful. The dashboard design is all about function. You get a clean layout with large, round analog gauges that include a 140 mph speedometer and an 8,000 revolutions per minute tachometer, impressive for 1969. The brushed aluminum trim across the dash adds a touch of class to the otherwise performance-oriented interior. Right in the center console, the gear shifter sits proudly, begging to be thrown into gear. One of the coolest features is the personalized plaque AMC offered on the dash. Each AMX could come with the original owner's name engraved, giving it a unique, personal touch you didn't see in most muscle cars. The steering wheel is a classic three-spoke design with the AMC emblem in the middle, and it feels perfectly at home in your hands. Behind the seats, there's a modest cargo area, but again, this wasn't about practicality. This was about performance and individuality. Even the carpeting and door panels have a premium touch for their era. Sitting inside, you can tell AMC was trying to combine American muscle attitude with European sports car refinement. It's simple, focused, and incredibly cool. Performance. Now, this is where the 1969 AMC AMX really earns its stripes. Under that long black hood sits a heart that's all muscle. Buyers could choose between a few powerful V8 engines, but the real legend was the 390 cubic inch, 6.4-liter V8, an engine that turned this small, lightweight two-seater into a legitimate performance beast. That 390 V8 produced around 315 horsepower and 425 lb-ft of torque, sending power to the rear wheels through a 4-speed manual or 3-speed automatic transmission. For a car that weighed under 3,200 pounds, that was more than enough to make it a serious performer. It could do 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 5.7 seconds, a time that rivaled the Corvette and even some European sports cars of the era. The top speed hovered around 120 miles per hour, which was impressive for a car from 1969. What made the AMX stand out wasn't just straight-line speed, it was how well it handled. AMC engineered this car with a short wheelbase and a near 50-50 weight distribution, giving it a balanced and nimble character. On twisty roads, it felt tight and responsive. The power steering was precise for its time, and the suspension, with coil springs up front and leaf springs at the rear, delivered both comfort and control. Braking was handled by front discs and rear drums, which provided decent stopping power for the era. Many enthusiasts compared the AMX's driving feel to that of European GT cars, and they weren't wrong. It combined brute American power with a surprisingly refined sense of balance and agility. And of course, that exhaust note, it's pure muscle music. The rumble of that 390 V8 is deep, throaty, and raw. When you hit the throttle, it doesn't just move, it roars. Driving this car feels like an event every single time. It demands attention, respect, and a bit of skill to handle all that old-school power. Back in 1969, the AMX wasn't just a showpiece. It was a track contender too. AMC entered it in SCCA racing and drag competitions, where it earned a solid reputation for performance and reliability. Drivers loved how controllable it was at high speeds and how well it launched off the line. It proved that AMC could build a true muscle car without relying on gimmicks, just solid engineering and pure V8 muscle. And if you wanted to go even faster, AMC offered the Go package, which included performance upgrades like a dual exhaust system, heavy-duty suspension, power front disc brakes, and the iconic racing stripes. With the Go package, the AMX could truly take on anything in its class. Prices. When it first hit the market in 1969, the AMC AMX started at around $3,200, making it significantly cheaper than a comparable Corvette. That affordability was one of its biggest selling points. It gave buyers true muscle car performance and style without breaking the bank. However, despite its great performance and bold styling, the AMX never sold in huge numbers, just over 8,000 units were produced in 1969. That limited production makes it a rare and desirable classic today. Fast forward to today, and the 1969 AMC AMX has become a collector's gem. Prices vary based on condition, originality, and engine options. A well-kept base model might sell for around $40,000 to $55,000, while a pristine example with the 390 V8 and Go package can easily fetch upwards of $80,000 to $100,000 at auctions. Restored show-quality models in black, like the one we're reviewing, are especially sought after because that color emphasizes the AMX's aggressive lines and gives it an almost sinister look. Collectors and enthusiasts appreciate the AMX for what it represents, a bold underdog that dared to challenge the giants. It's rare, fast, stylish, and full of character. And because it's from AMC, a company that doesn't exist anymore, owning one feels like owning a piece of muscle car history that can never be replicated. The 1969 AMC AMX is proof that greatness doesn't always come from the biggest names. In a time dominated by Ford, Chevy, and Dodge, AMC stepped up with something unique, a compact, powerful, two-seater muscle car that blended American power with sports car precision. It's a car that deserves far more recognition than it often gets. This black AMX is more than just a machine, it's a statement. From the moment you see it, to the moment you sit behind the wheel and fire up that roaring V8, you can feel its soul. It's raw, it's real, and it's pure driving emotion. Whether you're a collector, or restorer, or just someone who appreciates true automotive craftsmanship, the 1969 AMC AMX stands as one of the coolest, most distinctive muscle cars ever built. So if you ever spot one of these on the road or at a classic car show, take a moment to admire it, because you're looking at one of the most underrated heroes of American performance history. That wraps up our in-depth review of the 1969 AMC AMX, a black beauty that still turns heads more than 50 years later. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe for more classic car reviews, and let me know in the comments which classic muscle car you want to see next. Until next time, keep your engines roaring and your passion for cars alive.